Luigi has finally been found in Super Mario 64. This is an article that comes from Ty Galizro from GameSpot.com. This has been, I saw this a couple places today, but big news is that after 25 years, Luigi's source code has finally been found in Super Mario 64. It was noted that in original interviews with developers and also the producer, Nintendo, for Super Mario 64, that Luigi was originally planned for the game, as well as Yoshi. We never ended up seeing either of them. Well, I guess you do see Yoshi at the end of the game if you manage to get back up on top of the castle. But other than that, we never actually see Luigi in Super Mario 64. But it's finally been leaked that there, in the official source code, there was a Luigi model within the player section. So that's something interesting. The only thing that confuses me is that in this here file it says date modified 2003. So I'm just wondering where this was taken from. I'm not sure if it was taken from somebody's thing. Somebody downloaded it and then just by saving it, qualified as being date modified. We're going to assume that's what it was, and it's also interesting that they were doing it at 1:55 in the morning. Just going to say, some real diehard Super Mario Brothers 64 fans, or Super Mario 64, not Bros. My apologies. Anyways, up leading to this time, there's been fan-made versions like this one here of Luigi and what he may look like in Super Mario 64. And then, I think the most iconic version was that it would just look exactly like Mario, but it would just have the green with the L for Luigi. So, I guess there's not a whole lot else to it. I don't think people are going to really be going around saying, oh my gosh, we can finally make them, stuff like that. I mean, we already had a pretty good model for it in the first place. It was just nice to see overall that the fact that there was a model and a consideration for it at the time. It was just too bad that they never were able to make it a finalized version in the end. So, something that I'm curious about, and I want to get your opinion, is that do you think if they ever remaster Super Mario 64 that they should add in Luigi as well as the Yoshi mission / mode that they were originally going to add but ended up not doing it? Do you think they should add both of those characters in just to make the game complete, or should they just leave it the way it was originally published and distributed out when it was officially released? Other than that, that's all I got for Tech in the News. Thank you for watching, and today was Monday, July 27th, 2020. Thank you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.